Hey guys, so yeah, day number one, I guess, officially full day number one. We're at our hotel called the Haveli.
Which is absolutely incredible.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
But stuck in the middle of
Old
Old
Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah, so we're going to do a little bit of a pan in a second on that. Speaking a bit quietly because it's sunrise, and you know us, we can't help but to get up at sunrise. So it's very quiet. Yeah, we'll do a bit of a pan. There's these incredible
smoggy, which
kites
you will see.
flying around the place, which I'll try to get in a second. And yeah, do a little bit of a pan, but you'll see the smog. It's quite, yeah, it makes you feel, so I guess super happy that in Australia we see blue skies most of the time whenever the sun's out. So yeah, anywho, I'll do a little pan and yeah, see how we go in today's adventure. I think we're going for a foot tour.
Rickshaw tour as well.
Bit of a rickshaw, I think a cycle, like a manual cycle rickshaw tour. We're going to the Red Fort and we're going to, I'd say, Chandi Chowk, although we stumbled across Chandi Chowk last night, which you'll see in a video.
We're going to the Muslim temple as well.
Okay, cool. Yep. And yeah, so yeah, look forward to getting some good shots in this today. So I don't know if you can see those guys, but there's kites on there.
It's a monkey.
Zoom in to see our monkey guy. There's actually quite a few of them over there. See how that comes up. There's a heap of monkeys. There's monkeys all over the place, actually.
When you start looking, you just see lots of them.
Yeah. So, just no doubt getting up to some mischief. So, going to take a little bit of a tour of the hotel from at least the rooftop. We're giving the kids a Skype at the moment, but yeah, I'm up on a rooftop at the moment. I'm going to walk down some very windy, rickety stairs.
Okay. Can we open the door lock? Woohoo! The room's not overly clean, but that's okay. Got in last night. It's not the biggest room ever, but it's pretty cool. Excuse our mess. Got a really nice rainwater shower,
Yeah,
which was great.
Hey guys, so a little bit of a treat here. So first round of the Indian breakfast is samosa. I think we've got some mint sauce and some, did you say tamarind sauce?
Tamarind.
Sauce. So yeah, vegetarian at the moment.
And you got your coffee.
Oh yeah, and we've got a coffee which, yeah, we'll work with them on this. let's just say that yeah, it's a little watery, more watery than planned. But anyway, here's the breakfast. It's a mango chutney, is it?
No. Potato gravy and
potato gravy.
fenugreek sauce.
And a fenugreek sauce. Ooh.
Yeah.
And these are...
These are puffed bread with flavor of lentil.
That's cool. What was that? What was that? Thank you again.
Good for you. So, first thoughts? Recording.
Nice. Is it meat? Just on potato. It's
Yeah.
potato. Looked like meat. You opened up and go, oh.
No. That is the triangular shaped flour sheet. Inside it's filled with
Yeah.
potato, some peas, some Indian herb spices,
Mhm.
like that.
Lovely. And what's this one called?
Pedi food.
Say again?
Pedi food.
Very puni.
Yeah.
Oh, Benny Puni.
Puff like that.
Ah.
The flavor of lentil.
Yeah, so the samosa's awesome. The tamarind sauce is very spicy. The other sauce is a lot milder, but really nice. Such good flavour.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's the next course. I don't think we showed you. Did we show you the lentil puffs?
I'm not sure, maybe we just ate
We had
it
some lentil
first.
puffs and destroyed them. So now I'm having some paratha. with some sort of sauce, which is nice. I'm probably doing it the wrong way with a spoon. Yeah.
See, I'm not.
But really, really nice. I think the burrata itself's got some,
Whatever that spice is that's
Something in
in
it.
that. Whew.
yeah, just like a cumin or cloves or
Oh.
Asian spice factor.
It's actually okay.
Oh.
Like I can certainly taste it, and I wouldn't normally have this sort of spice for breakfast. Like it feels like I'm having dinner.
I think I'm wearing the wrong coloured shirt. I'm wearing the wrong coloured shirt if I still that. No, I already have. There you go. Got my. Oh, there's more coming.
The next thing is masala vermicelli.
Masala.
Yeah.
Oh, vermicelli. Yeah.
There's vermicelli mixed with Indian herbs and spices, and top of it curry leaves.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice.
Wow.
So you can take a couple of these and clear your plate.
Yep. There we go. Thank you.
That's also very common in breakfast.
Is it?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste too spicy, is it?
I think collectively.
Or is it just that I've got spice in my
Yeah, I
mouth
think-
anyway?
Yeah, it's definitely spicy.
And after that, we end up with sweet.
Sweets.
Oh.
How you going there, dear?
Yep, that's definitely.
More spicy than you used to?
Oh yeah. With your mouth open. Take
Yeah.
my nose though.
Yeah.
Dessert for you. This is sweet semolina,
Sweet semolina.
made up of not of sugar, made up of jaggery
I'll,
Oh,
and
yeah.
Indian clarified butter.
Yeah.
And there is firni for you.
Uh-huh.
This is Indian sweet rice pudding with
Oh.
flavor of saffron.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice.
And it's just
Oh,
This will blow your head off, I think, with the sugar. That's an interesting taste.
saffron. So creamed rice with saffron.
It's like savoury.
Oh really? Is that savoury just because it was eaten?
I was expecting to be really sweet.
And that this one sweet semolina. That
This
we
one?
make on the off day on Sunday with the family watching TV and enjoying the sweet semolina.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. So this is a regular Sunday.
Yeah, on the regular Sunday meal, watching TV,
Yep.
reading newspaper, and enjoying that semolina.
Yeah, it's easy eating. Nice and warm. Warm the belly.
I think that's the most I've ever eaten for breakfast in years.
I'm keen to go back. There you go. So full savoury and then dessert.
Dessert for breakfast.
Yeah. So what was your
But I like
favourite?
ice pudding. I think my favourite is the samosas, but I just love samosas anyway. It's hard to say. Like they were all
Different.
equally as nice in different ways.
Yeah.
I wouldn't normally eat a lot of vermicelli.
No.
But that had a
Just the flavours was nice. Were nice. The paratha was good.
paratha's not my thing.
Yeah.
I think
Whereas
it's
I
just
really
too-
like paratha.
Really too bready for me.
Yeah.
Whereas I'd much rather have something else. Like the samosa, that size of samosa was nice because
Yeah.
it wasn't too big.
Okay. But
And that was really nice.
definitely what was not a winner was the coffee.
Yeah, it looks like tea.
We might have to go again on that. But anywho, we might have a bit more breakfast. I'll turn this off.
Tastes like filtered coffee as well.
Yeah, it does. It's not espresso. But anywho, we're in the land of tea. Perhaps we
Yeah.
should start drinking tea.
Chai.
Chai. Yeah, I wonder if they do a chai. Yeah, okay. All right, we're out.
Talking about Red Fort, Delhi.
Yeah.
1857 uprising, as Indians call it. Mutiny, as British call it. Shah Jahan used to live here. Shah Jahan lived life king size. Taj Mahal,
Yes.
opulence.
Yeah.
Just the grave nobody lived in Taj Mahal, but when you see Taj Mahal, you will realize that your guide in Delhi was saying that normally I take half an hour, good half an hour, explaining about Taj Mahal because it involves the rise and fall of Mughal dynasty. So Shah Jahan lived in Delhi, Red Fort. And after that, Madam Karen, I'm going to give you rickshaw ride. Sights, sounds and smells of Old Delhi.
Yep.
Not possible in the car.
Yeah.
Car cannot go in the narrow lanes. We'll leave the car and we'll hire bicycle rickshaw. Thank you. And after that, I'm taking you to a place called Raj Ghat. That's the place where Gandhi is cremated.
Wow.
We'll give you a talk on Gandhi. Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, looking forward.
Let's go.
Oh hey, here we are at the Red Fort. I thought it was called the Amma Fort as well. I'll have to ask Jimmy.
Yeah.
Jimmy's like the guru. He's slow strolling, but that's all good. We're just taking a slow stroll around the Red Fort. He's got a bit of a plan for us. So yeah, super
And we've just
smoggy.
found out that the smog is due to
Burning of the next to Punjab is the next state across, which is the food bowl of India, and what Jimmy was saying was they burn the crops still, and so what happens when the warmer months start to turn into autumn and winter, and he was saying Delhi can get down to 2 or 3 degrees. I didn't realise it got that cold, but
And
he
then the
said
smog
that the
clears a
smog
bit.
settles, so it's a little bit like Los Angeles, same sort of effect, but yeah, it is hellishly hazy at the moment, so but pretty cool. Jimmy's just gone off to buy us a ticket, and looks like we're going to go into
we're
the
just
Red
cruising
Fort.
here with a dog. I'll
And
show you the dog.
yeah, old mate the dog just chilling, a bit like doesn't quite lay like Tink, but that's a little strange. But anywho, lots of stray dogs. Once again though, like still doesn't seem super populated, but I guess Diwali just finished, so maybe everyone's sort of getting back to their regular days. But anywho, we will come on in soon from the Red Fort.
Started calling it Red Fort. It is fabulous. 1.4 kilometers, octagonal, irregular in shape. Well, the real name of this, which Shah Jahan gave it. Shah Jahan was the emperor of Taj Mahal fame. He built Taj Mahal. The real name was Qilai Mualla. Qilai Mualla. That is an Urdu or Islamic word which means the auspicious fort. Qilai Mualla. Red Fort the British started calling. Well, this fort saw the prime time of Mughal Empire, the golden era of Mughal Empire, when Shah Jahan used to rule from here. We are in Old Delhi, but again, the same thing. This is not called Old Delhi. The British started calling it Old Delhi. The real name is Shah Jahanabad. Shah Jahan founded this Old Delhi, 15th century. So this was called Shah Jahanabad. Now, Red Fort Delhi or Qilai Mualla, auspicious fort. Shah Jahan used to live here. Beautiful architecture, very big, spread all over. Now, those were the days of golden era of Mughal rule. Slowly, the downfall happened. And the height of humiliation, after the death of Shah Jahan, the regime came in the hands of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was a very ruthless ruler. He took over in a coup against his father at the age 22 and ruled till the last day, died at the age 92. Always fighting, always increasing, even till his last time, fighting, increasing his territories. And he was, if I am right to say, he was a sadist. No music, no culture, no dance, offer prayer 5 times a day. That's it, no more, no less. But he was a good ruler too. He established and gave a very stable administration to the masses. After the death of Aurangzeb, came the regime, I'm telling you a very interesting thing now, came the regime in the hands of Bahadur Shah Rangila. Rangila was a title given to him by the masses. Rangila means merry monarch. He got everything in platter. Good economy, good force, good power, always whining, dining, parties, dances, if you allow me to, womanizing. Now, Bahadur Shah Rangila. There, in Iran, Nadir Shah was ruling and he was observing Bahadur Shah Rangila. He needed money for his revolution. And he realized that the regime is in the hands of a lad who is always merry-making. Attacked India. Started advancing towards here. And his aides would say to Bahadur Shah Rangila, Your Excellency, the forces have reached here. Don't worry. We will win. We have a strong force. Fill my glass. Kebabs, parties. Nadir Shah reached the borders of Delhi. Your Excellency, they have reached here. Okay. Bring my shoes. Bring my sword. And Nadir Shah was a seasoned warrior. And that was the height of humiliation for Mughal Empire. That Bahadur Shah Rangila personally escorted Nadir Shah to the hall of special audience where famous peacock's throne was kept. Sir, this is for you. Sit here. Now Nadir Shah did not come here to enjoy, to party. He meant business. He ordered mass loot. And he stayed here for 40 days. And when he went back, the convoy on which the loot was loaded consisted of 4,000 elephants, 10,000 horses, and 7,000 camels. Took everything, massacred everything, mayhem. And the famous peacock's throne, which is now lying in the National Museum of Tehran in Iran. Now, what was peacock's throne? Full throne where Shah Jahan used to sit, his seat of power. Solid gold. And on the throne, you see a canopy, kind of umbrella, and 2 peacocks facing each other. Now the eyes of peacocks were of pigeon blood rubies, the necks cornflower blue sapphire, and the life-size peacocks, and the feather of Colombian emeralds. Wow! Priceless. So that was the height of humiliation of Mughal Empire. And then finally, after the defeat and after the departure of Nadir Shah, the rule came in the hands of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal. Bahadur Shah Zafar, a philosopher and poet. He was in public life. He had to fight, and he knew that he will lose. Public life. He said, sir, you have to fight. You cannot escape it. And then, you see, a fight happened between British and Bahadur Shah Zafar. He lost. And he was sent to exile in Burma, which is Myanmar now. During the last 20 days of his life, he requested to the British that at least I be allowed to die in my favorite place, Delhi. They said no. They feared revolt. And then he wrote 2 couplets in Urdu. Verbatim is not possible in English to translate, but then the gist I will tell you. How unfortunate Zafar is. How unfortunate Zafar is that he could not even get 2 yards of land for his burial in Delhi. And eventually he died. So that was the
Rise and fall of Mughal Empire.
Wow.
And this is where you are here in Red Fort.
So just having a tour around the Red Fort, and then I think going to go for a bit of a ride soon. But pretty cool to wander these grounds. Massive, so it just gives you some sort of idea of the size and scale of the government and that at the time and these empires. So, anywho, we will continue on.
So kindly do कर मैं उसको मैसेज किया कि मैडम मैं
Yeah.
Try some of your filters.
So that's the Red Fort, Delhi. Job done. So we've had a good walk around. Jimmy's done pretty well. Karen, we've only got a few thousand selfies, so that was okay. Jimmy taught us how to avoid the selfie trap, so that's a good thing. But yeah, been a good trip around the Red Fort, and looking forward to the rickshaw. Right, rickshaw? No, tuk-tuk.
No, sir. Tuk-tuk cannot go in the narrow lanes. It is the Pedi Cab, bicycle.
Pedi Cab.
And
So,
that will be the highlight of your tourist.
right, okay, so we're going to go and jump on a push bike. So yeah, very good, very good.
Thank you so much.
All good. So yeah, that will be very soon. Yeah, cool.